John, what do you think here? I know. As a banker, you want people to continue to make their payments. But what was your reaction to the president's plan?
Well, I think number one, you've got to start somewhere, and there's going to be opposition no matter which way you pick it. And I think just starting with something is much better than just leaving that subject out there to be bantered back and forth. But quite frankly, I've got a lot of good friends that are in that situation where they're making their payments and their houses are worth $200,000 and they paid $320 for it.
Yeah.
And how do you go and refinance it right now? How do you at the same side, I could see them saying, well, how about letting them go in and maybe help them with their interest rates or something along those lines. Maybe that's a way to give them the staying power to kind of live through till the market does come back.
Mitigate the loan a little bit rather than restructure it.
Exactly.
Do you think the government should do that, or should banks just do that on their own?
Well, I think the banks, quite frankly, now need the help from the government. I hate to say that, and the bank that I'm involved with, we didn't have the toxic loans to for the housing market. We didn't have the credit cards, but at the same time, we're staring down. We haven't received TARP money yet, and it's something that we don't want right now, based upon some of the things that are the conditions and the things, not because of the salary and those type of things, but at any point they can come in and turn their stock into common stock, and basically the banks go away.
Yeah,
and so it's a difficult situation right now, but they have to start somewhere, and I think what I'd like to see is them get this started and then find a path and create some confidence.
Maybe that's what we're doing here.
Because what the biggest problem is right now is confidence. And we're on the internet right now, but we were all here in the 87, 88 time, and if we had the internet at that time, just think how bad it would have been.
Yeah, it's true.
I mean, 1,400 banks went out of business then. How many banks have gone out of business today?
Good point.
Maybe 50?
Yeah, because that's what everybody's talking about. We've got the mayor on the line. Okay, let's talk to the mayor.